Good morning, everyone. I am Aryan Jadile, and this is my first task of the internship from the data science group. So, the task was to build a future location prediction model using Data IQ DSS. Now, moving on to the presentation, these are the contents of my presentation. So, introduction. So I was supposed to build a future location prediction model using machine learning, where I was given a data set of the past or historical data of a person moving from one location to another location. And I was supposed to train a model based on this data, and which will be able to predict the future location of or the destination of a specific person. So Data IQ DSS. What is Data IQ? Data IQ is a end-to-end machine learning or data science platform where a person can build a whole machine learning pipeline and from the data preparation to the complete evaluation and scoring of the model. It also allows us to build visual workflows and also it allows us for seamless integration of data sets and Python recipes. So the implementation, moving on to the implementation, this is the implementation of my project, or you can say the workflow of my project. So first thing I did was I loaded or ingested the location dataset that I received from the client. So this is the actual dataset, which has seven columns and a total of 1537 entries. The first one is a unique identifier of ID. Then there is an event time start, the event time end, the latitude start, longitude start, latitude end, and longitude end. So this is the overall structure of the data set. Moving on to the flow, I trained a model using Lasso regression or say L1 regularization. I have achieved an accuracy of 95% as you can see here. I use this Lasso regression as it is proved method for the proper prediction of a linear or say continuous prediction. So after that, as you can see, I then scored the model and I have another data set prepared. So after that, I used the scored model and using a Python recipe, I have created another data set of the predicted latitude. This works on the basis of Lasso regression, and then after that, I used this latitude data set to prepare another data set of the predicted longitude. For the longitude prediction, I have used the XGBoost algorithm. So as you can see, there is another model which works on the basis of XGBoost algorithm. For the XGBoost algorithm, I have achieved an accuracy of 100%, and it may seem like it is an overfitted model, but it is not that much overfitted. Like it works fine on the data. And as you can see here, the final data set, uh, if you see this, you can see that this is the predicted latitude and this was the end latitude here. So if you can see, it is nearly the same. Like the end latitude here is 47.42 and this is 47.38, the predicted latitude, which is nearly same, which was predicted using the lasso regression. For the longitude, if you can see 8.55 and here is 8.55 as well. So it is nearly the same. So it is highly accurate model that we have created on the workflow. After that, if you can see, uh, some of you may think that why I didn't just combine the model first and applied the any of the algorithm using combine the latitude and longitude and just directly uh, finding the end location of the target. So if you can see here, using the actual data set, I have prepared another data set and here you can see I have combined the start latitude and longitude and the end latitude and longitude for the model to study. And after that, I have then trained a model using random forest, which is a very good algorithm for of ensemble learning, which prepares like which combines different decision trees and their the final decisions into a single decision. So if you can see, this gave me an accuracy of only 58%, which is very low. And having a very low scoring ML model is not that appreciable, and it is not a good practice to have it. And if you can see the data set, this is the final data set that I have created using this method. So it was not a feasible way to, you know, go using this way. So this won't be the way, and I will definitely refer that this way is the better option for us, using different algorithms and combining them and following an ensemble learning path. So going back to the presentation, the dataset details, as I have already explained it in dataset details, it was 1537 records and 7 features dataset. After that, lasso regression. So, what exactly is lasso regression? Lasso regression is a type of linear regression and L1 regularization method. In lasso regression, what we do is when we train our model, there on a complex data, there is a highly likely chance that the model will learn the noise from the data and the overall features in the data, and then it will definitely perform well on the training data, but it will perform very poorly on the testing data. So what Lasso regression does is that it uh, checks whether all the checks all the features, and it only takes in the most important features from the data set, and it just reduces the least influencing data features from the data set to minimum, or it completely removes it from the uh, training part of the data set. And then after that, what it does is that it helps in reducing the complexity of the model, and it avoids overfitting. After that, we have the XGBoost algorithm. So what is XGBoost algorithm? In XGBoost algorithm, what we do is we combine the many decisions from all the different decision models, or say decision trees, and then we learn from them and try to improve the mistakes of the previous models, and then perform better. So the XGBoost algorithm is helpful for real world data, because in real world, no data is simple. Data are complex and they have hidden relationships between them. So XGBoost algorithm is a boosting method which learns from complex data very easily. So as you can see, we have a comparison of the element regression, XGBoost, and random forest. So in lasso regression, I have achieved an accuracy of 95%. In XGBoost, it is nearly 100%, and in random forest, there is only 58%, which is very low. And for the conclusion, I would say that I have learned a lot from this project, and it was really helpful using data IQ DSS, which helped me combine and study different algorithms together and compare their outcomes. And for the future enhancements, I will suggest that it will, we can use this project for real-time location prediction and full trajectory prediction as well. Thank you so much. That was all on my part. Bye bye.